Hello friends, in this video, I'll show you the gaming performance of Realme 9 5G. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have low and medium options, and in frame rates, low, medium and high options. We'll play on low graphics and high frame rate, so you will get 30 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 4GB RAM and MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, which works on 6nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone, and 6.5-inch IPS LCD display has good touch response. During the long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 5000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of Realme 9 5G is up to the mark and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.